Alright, before moving forward to our day-to-day transactions, we need to understand the difference between the trading and non-trading activities. Since this business is a car parts business which buys and sell car parts, so anything which is connected to this particular business will be called a trading activity. For example, if we have bought these inventory items, which is a car part, it should be a trading activity. If we are selling this car parts, it is a trading activity. If we are receiving the payments against that, we are booking the sales invoice, we are entering the sales order, or we are doing some kind of returns, whether the customer returns or we return to the vendor. These all are trading activities. So what are non-trading activities? Non-trading activities are the indirect activities of the business that is not connected to the main course of business. Like for example, we have purchased the furniture for our office. So this furniture is not an inventory. It's not for buying and selling purpose. It's not the main trade of us. So this is a non-trading activity. Similarly, advance rent paid for 6 months, security deposit paid for shop taken on rent. These are all the supporting activities, but it is not directly a trade of the company. So that's why it's a non-trading activity. Same goes for paint and renovation expenses, any kind of other expenses, rent adjusted for advance rent. So all of these will be dealt in a completely different way as compared to the trading activities. So this is very important before starting the transactions. And from the next video, we will start working on our project and day-to-day transactions, because the real scenario of the company where you will implement the complete system will be exactly the same, only the data will be in more quantity. First of all, you just enter the ledgers, leaving the debtors, creditors in stock. Then we enter the individual customers with details, vendor with details, and inventory with details as of 1st of January. So the client will provide you the closing balance of the last year, which you will enter as opening balance. And now the system is fully implemented. Now we will start working on the QuickBooks Online as if this is our main system now. We will enter all the day-to-day transactions here. So in this video, we just understood the difference between the trading activities and non-trading activities. And from the next video, we will start working on our day-to-day activities.